Examples of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions can be classified into different types based on how the reactants transform into products. Here, we'll cover three common types of reactions: combustion, oxidation, and thermal decomposition. We'll explain what happens in each type and provide examples to illustrate. Combustion is a chemical reaction in which a substance reacts rapidly with oxygen, releasing energy in the form of light and heat. This type of reaction is commonly referred to as burning. Three things are needed for combustion: fuel, heat, and oxygen. Hydrocarbons are fuels containing only hydrogen and carbon. Where there is enough heat and oxygen, hydrocarbons combust to give water and carbon dioxide. Combustion is useful because it gives off energy in the form of heat and light. It is the process behind candles, wood first, car engines, coal power plants, and so on. Oxidation is a reaction where a substance gains oxygen or loses electrons. Oxidation reactions are common in everyday life, such as rusting of iron or the browning of apples. When a substance reacts and combines with oxygen, it is called an oxidation reaction. Combustion is an oxidation reaction. Another example of oxidation is rusting. Iron reacts with oxygen in the air to form iron oxide, i.e. rust. Thermal decomposition is a chemical reaction in which a compound breaks down into simpler substances when heated. This type of reaction often requires an input of energy in the form of heat. Thermal decomposition is when a substance breaks down into at least two other substances when heated. The substances aren't actually reacting with anything, but it is a chemical change. Some metal carbonates break down on heating. Carbonates are substances with CO3 in them, like copper carbonate and zinc carbonate. The breakdown into metal oxide and carbon dioxide. This usually results in a color change. In summary, combustion reactions involve a substance reacting with oxygen, release energy as heat and light. Example, combustion of methane. Oxidation reactions involve the gain of oxygen or loss of electrons. Common in rusting and food spoilage. Example, rusting of iron. Thermal decomposition reactions involve a compound breaking down into simpler substances when heated, require heat to proceed. Example, decomposition of calcium carbonate.